Cool.
Hey guys, Chris from Smile here again. So another one I get asked very often is how much is this new furnace going to cost me? So there's a bunch of different factors that are going to affect things, and for here I have a couple examples for you. So two of the brands we like to deal with most commonly, Lennox and Keep Right. Keep Right is a subsidiary of Carrier, in case you've ever wondered. Two fantastic brands, and we love to promote these. But for everybody needs a different furnace for their house, and this is going to affect your total cost. If you live in a home that's not have the best ductwork system, or maybe it's a very tall house, we're usually going to opt to give you the Keep Right, as it has the strongest blower motor in the industry, and that can help for a lot of homes that have problem ductwork or just problem airflow situations. Sometimes the Keep Right is all you need to just get over that hump and have perfect airflow in your house. Whereas if you live in a bungalow, you don't need that extra airflow. We'll gladly give you the Lennox, which is a slightly quieter machine, and they're both great machines at the end of the day, but everybody needs a different machine for their house, and this is going to affect the total cost depending on the size too. This is a 70,000 BTU furnace. Some people with bigger homes are going to need a 90 or 110, and so on and so forth. There are a bunch of different factors here that are going to play just along with the machine, but with the installation too. If you have enormously long venting that needs to be run, lots of ductwork adaptations, etc., there are other factors that will come into play on the total price, but this is all information that you're going to receive before any installation is going to begin. We'll outline every single reason, and that's going to play a factor into the price, and we'll let you know exactly why you're getting it for that price and why that is. So at the end of the day, when it comes to the price though, generally at a starting point you're going to be in around $4,000 plus tax, but again, with factors, if you're going to be getting a bigger machine or the top of the line one or a bunch of extra add-ons, it can go up into the $5,000 or $6,000 range depending on everything that's going to